What's up, guys? Back after a long break, and today we're going to be riding with Stetson up Diamond Fork Canyon with a very awesome finals destination.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move is on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I keep my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna do bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. Make sure I know that you never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. I don't wanna be where I am. I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Gotta get your bike in it, right? Yeah, baby. Yeah, that one I came in way too hot in that corner. I was like,
oh,
holy
no.
cow, slamming on all the brakes.
Bro, right before that, I was wheeling up the hill. That freaking, I was on the left side, and the Razor came.
Yeah.
I had to go down and like slide.
Yeah, and I was over here in the middle of third gear, and then that corner comes up. I was like, oh crap.
Awesome. Yeah, I've been up here. I almost shot a deer up here.
Yeah.
That's one I missed.
Nice.
So is it just like this, or are there trails that go off?
I think a lot further it gets the trails that go out, but it definitely gets a lot narrower further up.
Cool.
We can go to that one. I don't know how far it goes. I've never working?
Huh?
Is it working?
Yeah.
No.
It is way pretty up here. I guess that probably is a trail.
And I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Hopefully you enjoyed today's video of going riding with Stetson. Huge shout out to Stetson for going riding with us and doing that video for today. Sorry I've been gone for super long. School got crazy and then I broke my ribs, so I was gone and out of doing anything for a while. But we're back, and I don't know about this every week schedule. We're going to try to do every other Wednesday for sure, at least. And a lot more riding content, a lot less garage content. If you like the garage content, let me know, and I will definitely do that. But other than that, that's today's video. Tons of riding. The best part is right when the GoPro died, unfortunately, so that sucks. but it was freaking fun. So hopefully we can get better riding content and a lot more the GoPro not dying on us at the best part of the trail. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.